Great rising. It's such a beautiful day. I tell you, I'm tickled pink for real because the rain really make me feel happy though. In some words, um, my joints, be a little achy, breaky hard, but the actual rain itself, it's a wonderful thing. Um, Today I'm going to Comic Con and with my 50-year-old and the 18-year-old nephew. So I'm gonna have a blast, but I have to meds in my system. He all excited now, loud as a mug this early. But I'm grateful for that kind of noise. I'm looking at the window, that's all. That's why I look up. A nosy little neighbor, but it's just beautiful. I want y'all to be a blessing to somebody for yourself, not outside body, but your body. Say thank you for your brain and your heart and your eyes and your ears and your mouth and nose and ears and all the other things that you have. Just thank each things and love that, okay? I want y'all to have a great day.